Hello, I'm Jalinson Diaz, a software engineer from dotCMS. Today I'm going to show you how you can build dialogues like this one using AI search from .ai. Right now you can see that it doesn't work, and that is expected. We're going to fix that in this video. First of all, you will need an OpenAI key, so we can go to apps.ai system host, and you have to paste your OpenAI key here and then hit save. With that, you will have .ai configured and ready to be used on the .ai portlet. Now, we're going to use the NextJS example where I just left some comments to be used for configuring the indexes. We're going to use this index name, and then we're going to use this Lucene query. Basically, what this process is doing is embedding content into the AI using this Lucene query. So we're going to embed blocks, products, and destinations that are production ready, and they are not archived or deleted. Now, if I build the index, we have to wait a bit. Now we have it here. This is how we know that the index is created. Now, for our dialog building, we're going to use the useAIsearch hook, which needs a working dotCMS client, which we have here on our example. You can see that we initialize it using the dotCMS client, and we will need our index name, which is this one, the very same we used to create the index. And this is some optional params to narrow our search. For example, we're limiting the search to 5 items, and in saying that the distance between the query and the results should be at minimum 0.4. And this hook will give us a status, which we can use to cover cases like loading. We can use the status state for loading, for errors and success. For example, here is a success, here is the error. And also it will give us a results, which is basically the array of results, which we can use to show our results on the code. We have a result function and a search function. The reset is basically for, now let's go back to the example. If I search here for vacation ski and I hit search, this is using the search function. It's basically passing this query to the search function, and it executes the query. And you can see we have some results here. The ultimate family ski trip packing list. We have some women's skis, some ski jackets, and finally the reset function is basically for resetting the state, for that kind of buttons like the X1, where it just clears the input and just clears the array and shows you the starting point, which is welcome to Travelux AI. And that's it. That's how easy you can build a dialog like this, or a simple search with just a React hook and a basic configuration.